Luganda.
There was supposed to plea of your individuals, the ones that you were representing in the courts of law. The plea was taken as not guilty, but yet they rejected taking it.
You see, we maintain, well, our clients insist they are not subject to martial law.
Yes.
It's the reason they have declined to take a plea. We have persistently put across that argument. We have invoked all the relevant laws to back up that argument that our clients are not subject to military law. They are not subject to martial law, and therefore this court has no jurisdiction to try them here. So they have refused to submit to the jurisdiction of this court, and that is the reason they are not taking a plea. And it's one of the reasons we sought for leave. No, actually not leave. It's one of the reasons we had made the application to have a reference to the Constitutional Court. The jurisdiction of this court, including those matters the Constitutional Court has pronounced itself persistently even after the Kabazikuluka decision. Because every matter that has gone to the Constitutional Court, the verdict has been the same. The pronouncement has, and it is self-executing. We get a shock of our life when the prosecution said, we need an order of enforcement, of execution. When indeed the constitutional pronouncement or pronouncements of the Constitutional Court are self-executing. So, we still maintain our clients are not subject to martial law, and this tribunal has no jurisdiction over them, and they will not take a plea before them. That's exactly what has happened today.
And the plea that has been entered?
Yes?
And the plea that has been entered by that very court, because the court registered as not guilty.
Yes, it's a right for one to say, I'm declining to take a plea.
No,
and it's up to them to record whatever plea they want, whether it's a plea of guilty or not. But in law, once one declines to take a plea, they are obliged to do to record a plea of not guilty.
But they should also record that our clients refused to take plea. Therefore, the court has entered a plea of not guilty. So we are hoping that the registry will keep accurate records. The registry which the judge advocate tells us he is in charge.
So tugamba ba clients baffe bawa